Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case, unpackaging, the DIGITEK DCB001 camera bag. As you can see, it comes in a clear plastic bag with no branding or printing on it. All we have is a sticker on one of the sides which has the manufacturing and distributor information. There is also some customer care information on it. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the bag, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we have the camera bag, obviously, and as we can see, it is black in color with an orange stripe running across the front. We also have a DIGITEK branded patch on the bottom right. On the left-hand side of the bag, we have a mesh compartment in which we can keep a bottle of water or any other item that needs to be dried. On the other side, we have a Velcro strap on which we can hang a tripod, and we have another strap that is not Velcro, and this can be used to hang something as well. On the top, we have a padded hand grip. On the back, we have the shoulder straps. They are adjustable in their tightness. The straps have some straps of their own on which things can be tied, and we also have these tying mounts on the shoulder straps. On the bottom, we have a compartment that houses the rain cover, and this can protect your bag from rain and dust. The compartment can also be used to house some things that you want to keep safe, as it is quite secure. On the bottom, we also have two hard rubberized feet. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the bag, so let's get inside it now. Inside, we can see that it has an orange and black theme going for it. And this is a typical camera bag layout with a lot of compartments that can be modified and adjusted according to your preference thanks to Velcro. In terms of depth, the depth is approximately 6 to 7 inches. On the other side, we have two zipped compartments which are see-through thanks to this mesh-like surface. And this can be used to house things like memory cards and batteries, any camera accessories that you need on a day-to-day basis. We have two of these compartments, and it is very handy that it is see-through, so you always know what is in these pockets. So that's about it in terms of this DIGITEK DCB001 camera bag. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.